anterior. And to target the lower lobe of the lung, the patient is placed in a prone position with the head tilted to one side. A pillow is placed under the stomach of the patient and the percussion is given over the lower regions. Now, if the patient has increased ICP or gastroesophageal reflux, this position is avoided and the patient is then placed in a normal flat prone position. Now, either to give percussions, both the hands can be used or one hand can be used depending on the chest wall area and the age of the patient. And for small infants, percussion can be given using 2 to 3 fingers as well in this manner. Now, similar to percussions, vibrations are given intermittently while giving percussions. So they are performed in this way. These are tremor-like motions that help in further moving the secretions from the smaller airways to the upper airways. Now, in older children who can cough, they are made to cough to expectorate the secretions, or in a smaller children to induce cough, we tickle the nostrils, or we make the child cry or laugh to stimulate the cough. So this whole cycle is the percussion is provided for about 3 to 5 minutes on the affected lung region, and in a chronically ill patient, the whole cycle, all 4 positions are utilized, which are performed for about 15 to 20 minutes for about 2 to 3 times a day, depending on the condition and requirement of the patient. Second technique is manual hyperinflation, which is used to mobilize secretion, clear out secretions in mechanically ventilated patients. For this technique, usually 2 people are required. One is the therapist and one is the nursing officer, which helps out with the suctioning procedure. Now, to carry out this position, the patient is placed again in a comfortable position. Now, assuming that our patient's right upper lobe is affected, we will place the patient in supine with a pillow under their head and neck. Now the right shoulder is slightly elevated so that the affected lung lobe is slightly higher than the carina, so that the secretions can be mobilized towards the larger airways from where they are suctioned out. Now, to do this, the ambu bag is connected to the ET tube and the other end is connected to the oxygen source of the ventilator. The bag is squeezed to hyperinflate the lungs, which is held for 3 to 5 seconds, which is followed by rapid expiration accompanied by percussion over the accompanied by vibration over the affected area. Now, the squeezing of the bag, which hyperinflates the lung, helps in improving collateral ventilation and moving the air behind the secretion. After which, because of the rapid release of the bag, these are moved from the smaller airways towards the larger airways from where they are suctioned out. This process is again performed for a cycle of 5 to 7 times till the secretions are cleared out, after which suctioning is performed.
How to keep vibration?
So it is a very coordinated movement. So you back, you release, along with that you give
Therapy is given to children above 6 to 7 years of age who have excessive secretion. Some of the devices are acapella, flutter device, RC cornet, aerobica, etc. So acapella comes in 2 different forms, blue and green. Blue acapella is given to those individuals with peak expiratory flow of less than 15 liter per minute, and green is given to those with peak expiratory flow more than 15 liter per minute. So at the proximal end, it has a detachable mouthpiece. The body consists of one-way inspiratory valve. At the proximal end, it has a detachable mouthpiece. The body consists of a one-way inspiratory valve that provides resistance only during the expiratory phase of breathing. It has a counterweighted plug and a metal strip attached to it. Also has a magnet inside it. At the distal end, it has a dial over here that provides resistance to the patient's expiratory effort and allows adjustment to the frequency of oscillation. Here is the indicator with plus and minus sign. So to increase the resistance of expiratory effort and the frequency of oscillation, we move the dial towards the plus sign, and to decrease it, we move the dial towards the minus sign. So to use this device, the patient sits comfortably or lies in any postural drainage position, places the device in the mouth with lips tightly sealed around the mouthpiece, takes a deep inspiration